Hey man, say man, what's poppin', y'all? Listen man, I'm gonna show y'all mine, right? Look, we're not here for mine. I look good and all clean and shit. I'm here for this bad boy, man.
We're here with a real SRT, you know what I'm saying? Real SRT.
Motherfucker throwing shots already. But yeah man, this the big V8, big boy. Big boy. SRT8, man. Man, that's actually clean as fuck too. I want y'all to see that.
Dead
I
stock.
want y'all to see that.
Dead stock. Nothing has been done yet.
You got an intake.
Yeah, I was gonna put a coat out one.
Oh, you got a catch can on it. That's cool. And that shit matched the paint. That's actually cool. Hey man, he said it's stock, man. Everybody say that. Until you fucking drive it. That's a clean ass engine, Beto. That's clean as hell. Just so y'all know, this ain't no bullshit. I'm gonna show you the big brakes. Good old Brembos. Hey man, so look, y'all gotta work with me, dog. It's windy as fuck today, man. So just work with me, man. But here we go. Look at that. Legit. And if that ain't good enough, there you go. Man, oh man.
Y'all get real, so let's hear it.
Oh hell yeah, go for it. Stock exhaust, man. Jesus. Let this bad boy for a spin real quick, man. Bad bitch right there, though. Don't get it fucked up or misconstrued, goddamn.
Don't worry about this. This will be changed soon. It's outdated as fuck.
Man, I wouldn't even be sweating that. That's just a default, man. But that is legit carbon fiber, though.
All around. Don't forget to show them the seats now. Gotta show them.
Oh, the Alcantara, man. The SRT on the head.
Street racing technology, guys. Remember that.
A lot of motherfuckers don't even know what that shit actually mean. They just buy it.
Remember that.
Panoramic roof.
Don't mind the
That's
train.
risky as hell, but you know. Hey man, damn, what year is this one? Oh, 14?
2012.
A 12.
Yep. I know it's old, but yeah, remember prices with these type of vehicles only gonna go up if you treat them correctly. Just remember that.
Yeah, that's actually pretty true.
This ain't no regular Grand Cherokee.
Everybody be hunting these down. Everybody be hunting them down. It's all-wheel drive, by the way, man. So them donuts and shit,
Can't really do it.
can't really do no donuts, but
What?
burning out, launching, you can do that.
Yeah, the lunch right here.
I wouldn't. You can do it in this parking lot. That's up to you. This motherfucker wild, man. But it's cool because if I had the damn if I had this, I'd be doing the same shit. I'd be doing the exact same shit.
This is straight shot right here. Alright, let's see. So, traction on or off? Foot on brake. Give it a little rev. That's 40 right there. Not even a good 60.
Hey man, that bitch gripped.
Yeah, I need to get
That
on the
bitch
street.
gripped. Damn,
Street.
it didn't spin. That shit did not spin at all. That exhaust loud as shit. That's stock exhaust.
Yep, stop.
That shit loud. It fucking rumbles when it's downshiftting.
I want to get one of those exhausts where you could close it and open it.
Are you talking active exhaust?
Yeah. Probably change the tips too.
That's that new shit, man. That's what Camaros and Mustangs coming with.
But
The fucking active exhaust. You can open it up, close it.
I ain't trying to make people mad, you know?
Nah, man. The whole point of a big ass V8, be ignorant with it, man. Yo, this dude can't drive, dog. Listen to that bitch, though. worry about that shit he just said. Hey, that bitch move, man.
I'll let you get behind the next.
That bitch move.
But yeah, you ain't got a paddle shift. Still learning.
I don't even fuck with them in my own car, man. Actually, I have.
I want to learn it, so I'm gonna fuck with it, but I'm gonna try to, not fuck moving.
I have fucked with it before. I have. It's cool. I hope y'all can hear me over this damn exhaust, man. This is what I'm gonna say. A RT Challenger, RT Charger, a regular ass V8, a 5.0. I've been to tons of them. But yo, all-wheel drive with 470 to the wheels. Hey man, that shit hit different, man. That bitch hit different. This shit hugs the fucking road, man. Hugs it. This boy wildin', man. But y'all motherfuckers would do the same exact thing.
Get that bitch a little hit sometimes.
Nah, hell no. Hell no. What is your gas like though? On the full tank, what you getting?
I think 12 city, 18 highway.
You definitely ain't getting that. You ain't getting that.
Yeah, no. I normally drive cautious.
Yeah, alright. Don't listen to this shit, man. Alright.
I got track mode too. Which one is better, track mode or sport mode?
Dude, so honestly, I know dudes with track hogs. I know. It's basically the same shit, but them dudes run their shit in fucking track 24/7. But these are the same dudes that got a bigger fucking blower. They running nitrous and shit. Like, nah, these motherfuckers ain't just buy them and fucking, hey man, I'ma drive it.
Right.
They're fucking racing nonstop. I'm not gonna say who or where they doing that.
This ain't a 9-second truck though. It ain't a 10-second truck like the track though. This is 13.
13?
Nah, I see.
Man, shit.
15. Alright, now let's get you back here.
Motherfuckers love to downplay they shit for other people, man.
We got heated steering wheel right here, heated seat. You can make your seat cold. Yeah, we got it all. Dumb shit.
But he don't like this damn screen though.
Yeah, I want to take it to the shop and get the iPad instead. That'd be wrong.
Do it, man. That's what the Tesla's got.
Yep.
I'll show y'all on the dash, man. 180. Regular V6, not V6s. Regular ass 5.7s. I think they come 160.
Alright, we driving, guys.
I ain't doing no donuts in this bitch, man. Hell no.
I would love to, but I can't. So
But I'm gonna point this out though. Yo, driving that fucking 300 to this, man. I feel like I'm driving a goddamn excursion or a bus, man. This bitch, you barely tap the bitch and it move, man. Man, I would get in trouble, man.
I'm ready for the tickets. I already know it's coming.
So that exhaust is stock, right? That's what you saying.
Yep, that's what they told me.
Dude, I don't think that shit's stock, man.
Hey, I should look under it and see.
That bitch is nasty, dog. God damn, that bitch nasty. God damn.
No,
Yo.
no, what, 50 right
Yo.
now?
I'm not even looking at the speed, man. I ain't even looking. that exhaust sounds good as fuck.
Oh, we got red light. Oh, nope,
No,
she
got
green. Oh yeah, you gotta push it. You gotta push it right here.
I have to get around this corner though. Ooh, shit,
She
yo.
push it back.
Yo. I ain't gonna say how fast that just went, but
in Mexico.
Yeah. They got mountains in Mexico too, man, so.
You got mountains out there.
Don't even trip. Dude, this motherfucker hugs. It don't even fucking.
No drip, no, yeah. No fishtail,
man.
This is the scat hawk right here. I'm gonna call it a scat hawk.
You got it in sport right now.
Yep.
I'm looking at it right here. Look at that little Mustang.
Uh-oh. Do you want some? Oh, he don't want that. He got the family. He got the family with him.
Yo, man. I know what y'all gonna say in the comments, right? Man, you love this motherfucker. You smile and get one. Hey, fuck y'all, man. I don't mean that, but fuck y'all, man.
He ain't ready for the real SRT.
That Mustang got behind us, though.
Oh, he ain't about it.
He got behind us.
He ain't ready for a real SRT, though.
Let's see something.
Hold up. Nasty. Carbon fiber.
Only if that bitch will burn out, man. Like, but you don't need that shit, though.
With this, yeah. Cool, Volkswagen fan. Keep that on. I ain't gonna cap. I want to get one of them. Not as a project.
Yo, this bitch is nasty.
How them brakes feel?
They feel better than mine, but they're Brembos, though.
Yeah.
They're none compares to Brembos, man. Like, I got aftermarkets on mine, but Brembos are just different, man. These bitches just glide. It's like fucking slicing butter with these. That Mustang is fucking trying to hang with you, man.
He ain't about it. He ain't about it, y'all. Trying to follow us.
I was looking at. I found one yesterday for sale, by the way.
What, in Pueblo?
No, here in the Springs.
One of these.
One of these.
I was, bruh.
It's a gray one. Bruh, it's silver. Silver with the. It got black stripes coming down the middle. I think it was a 13.
Bruh, I've been looking everywhere for one of these motherfuckers. One was in two was in Longmont, Colorado. 3 was in Denver. 1 was in fucking Pueblo.
That's where you got this one from. You got this one in Longmont.
Yep. 2-hour drive. The one in Pueblo was supposed to be there like last week, but it's not even there yet.
We ain't even just. What? How much did you get it for? Wait, you ain't even say that.
30 bones, y'all. 30 bones. But I mean, it was 32 and I dropped it down to 30, so I guess that's a dub, you can say.
Like these 4-cylinders and all that shit, yo, that's cool. That's cool. Should have changed your fucking life, man.
Yes, sir. SRT, bitch.
That shit sounds crazy. That bitch sound crazy, dog.
Oh yes, this will put a smile on your face if you mad.
Like, man, I woke up from a fucking nap. They sped down the highway just to get here.
She empty.
I don't know where the fuck these cops be at. That's the
Oh, nah, you good right here. I used to live over here, so I know where they be. Sometimes they be right there, but they not even there. What you doing, Cadillac?
This shit will get addictive. See, I'll be that motherfucker. You already got the intake. You ain't really got to do too much to the engine, man. You can do some simple shit. Bolt-on shit. I'll fuck with the exhaust. Just to piss my neighbors off every morning. Like,
I want to put a damn turbo on this bitch, but as y'all see, Pro Charge. That's what I'm probably gonna do, because the engine bay is too fucking big. So if I do turbo, I'm gonna have to put it underneath it. You don't want to do that out here. They got a lot of shit out here.
A lot of people doing them though, man. The 6.4s are good for fucking Pro Chargers, man. I wouldn't do no turbo or like, well, it's technically There's different companies. I think Whipple is the main one. That's what everybody know. Wait, is this the turn?
Yeah, you can go to the next one. It's the turn.
Let's test the Brembos. Yeah, them bitches smooth as hell.
These hoes feel like you just press them down and stop.
Dude, it's different, man. It's different. Like I'm used to my shit. I'm used to my shit, but this shit is just different. This motherfucker was rear wheel drive, man. Just man, oh man. Hey man, yo. Not that I want to buy one, but goddamn, I swear to God. I swear to God.
Trade in, trade in.
I swear to God. That's all I'm saying. Finna do a pull flyby real quick. Man, oh man. I ain't tired or nothing. I'm wide awake. But hey man, that was a fucking blast, man. I see why everybody keep telling me get a V8, man, get a V8. I get it. I hear you. Loud and clear, man. But yo, it's Saturday, man. I ain't got shit to do really. I'm about to go back home and go to sleep. But him, probably finna go act the ass in traffic. So man, what's your Instagram and Twitter, anything, man? What you got?
Follow me on IG, Crazy Polo Boy. Hey, if you live in the Springs, Colorado, anywhere, shit, meet up, let's do some shit. Put your shit in the comments or whatever. Like this bitch, subscribe to that also. Hey, get an SRT, by the way.
You know what I'm saying? Subscribe, motherfuckers. Because y'all keep watching but not subbing.
Hey, another thing. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's called Guns and Shit. GUNSHET. Talk about guns if you like guns.
Guns and shit. I'll make it easy, man. I'll put his name on Instagram and the YouTube link in the description, man. Yo, go flood that shit, man. Because why not? Y'all watching my channel because it's fucking about Dodge and products and Chryslers and shit, man. So yo, you got one right here, man. Go hit him up. Get hip, man. But other than that, yo, it's a nice ass day. About to go enjoy it, I guess. And yo, man, thanks for fucking watching. Thanks for fucking with your boy. This shit was fun to film too. But other than that, man, I ain't gonna keep holding y'all, man. We out of this motherfucker. Till the next time.